Okay, I'll just show you how to replace the battery in a 2015 Toyota AYGO. Now, first thing you'll notice is somebody's been trying to prise this edge off. There is a little ridge inside this edge that the cover locates in. If you look carefully there, oh sorry, I'll try there, you'll see a little cutout. Now, using a screwdriver or something, don't be pressing in that way because you'll end up with it in your thumb like I did many years ago. So in there and just lever up. When you leave the case that way and push towards that side. That's the battery there. Out with the battery. It is a CR 2016. New battery in. Locate in there underneath that lip and then press in, and then we put it on the back. As you see there, that's the little locating ridge there. So on there, snap into place and then snap there. That's it done.